Welcome to our New Mexico History Intersession class. As many of you probably already know from the various emails that I've sent out, there is a problem with the purchase of the e-text for this class. So that's referred to as the MILE or the e-text, the New Mexico History book. You can still go ahead and purchase it using all the instructions that are available in the syllabus and the emails that I've sent out previously. But there is something wrong on the back end right now that they're working to fix. So if you've already purchased the text, just keep checking back, or excuse me, if you've already purchased the text and you've sent an email to either myself or to Jacob Lujan about that, we know what's going on. We know that you've purchased it, and we're working to get that set for you. So just keep checking back in with Inkling to just see when that appears in your bookshelf. If you haven't yet purchased the text or you haven't yet been in communication with either myself or Jacob, please email Jacob. His email address is on the syllabus, and it's also in the email that I sent out just a little while ago. Let him know that you've made that purchase, and he will be able to get the book sent out to you in your Inkling account. So I apologize for all of this trouble. It usually works far more smoothly than this, but there's just been, again, something amiss on the back end of things. I have this screencast going because I want to show you where you can access the PDFs of the first few chapters in the meantime. So if you can't yet access the e-text, there are PDFs of the materials that you need embedded in the Unit 1 and Unit 2 learning modules. So I'm going to go over here to the learning modules to show you where that's at. So I'll click in Unit 1 first. Okay, so this is what you see when you first get into the Unit 1 module, intro and objectives. I'm going to use the table of contents rather than click through everything. You can do all of the introductory discussion board work, the email activity, and so on without accessing the e-text. But when you get to this what is history and why study it part of the module, this is where you will need the e-text. So there are a few different things here for you to think about. There's a video in which I talk about history and historical thinking. And then also, you'll need to read Chapter 1, including the section within that chapter on primary and secondary sources. If you don't have that yet, just click these links, and this will take you to a PDF version of the reading. So there's nothing fancy here, there's no interactive features, but you will be able to read all of the material and complete your coursework without any problems. And the same thing goes for this primary and secondary sources section. Unit 2 is slightly different just because it's organized a little bit different. The objectives are different. Units 2 through 6 are pretty much set up the exact same. It's just that Unit 1 is the outlier. So again, using the table of contents right here, I'm going to click Unit 2 Readings. And this is the place where you can find the PDFs of these chapters that you will need for Unit 2. Remember, Unit 2 doesn't start until Wednesday. So hopefully you will have access to the e-text by then. If not, though, these are here for you. So again, just click the numbers, and that will open the PDF as I'm showing you here. All right, so please let me know if you have any questions or concerns as you begin work on the course. I'm always happy to help out with any questions that you have along the way, especially because we're only together for 2 short weeks.